Khushbu Kapoor. Welcome to my channel Exotic Chemistry, where the mission is not only 100% marks but also 100% knowledge. Today, the topic which I have chosen is from class 12th, alcohol, phenol and ether. There I am going to tell you the dehydration of alcohols. I am going to tell you about the mechanism which is normally asked in board examination in 3 marks. Okay, then what is dehydration? First of all, I am going to tell you this and then I will let you know the mechanism in 3 steps. See, the dehydration of alcohol was there in class 10th also in carbon and compound chapter, but mechanism was not there. Only we have learned about that when alcohol undergoes a dehydration in the presence of some protic solvent, that is some sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid. In that case, an alkene is formed as a major product. But in class 12th, we are going to study about the mechanism. So why to waste the time? Let's start with this. Okay. I'm going to start with the dehydration of alcohol. Sorry. Dehydration of alcohol. As the word describes, dehydration. What is the meaning of the word dehydration? Dehydration is basically means the removal of H plus. Okay, the removal of H plus, or you can say the removal of water molecule from the alcohol molecule in the presence of some protic solvent to form alkene as a major product. See how. Suppose this is an ethanol. When ethanol undergoes a reaction in the presence of protic solvent, and we are now normally going to heat it, in that case we get alkene and water molecule as a major product. Means this will be the byproduct, but ethene is formed as a major product. So what is the mechanism behind this? This we are going to study now. Let's start with the mechanism. The first step is normally fast step, that is the formation of protonated alcohol. Now the question arises, what is protonated alcohol? Okay, means the alcohol will be there, but in that case the oxygen atom which is present there will be having positive charge. See how it will happen. Let's start. We'll take the example from the ethanol only. You can take any carbon chain, propanol, then butanol, pentanol, anyone. Means I am going to start with the ethanol first. With this ethanol, when the reaction is taking place in an acidic medium, as I had already told you, now what will happen is, now I have already told you this is an ethanol molecule. Now the lone pair which is present in ethanol oxygen atom will attack the H plus ion and it will give rise to protonated alcohol. Okay, H was already there, one more H is added and it give rise to, here all the hydrogen atom will be there. Okay, but one thing you have to remember is, when you are going to write this mechanism in the examination hall, please students, don't forget to write this with the arrow. Please already show this mechanism with the arrow. In that case you will not feel confusion there. Okay, protonated alcohol. Fine, protonated alcohol, and this step is fast step, but and quite reversible also. But when this protonated alcohol is formed, now I have to do the step where there should be the elimination of water molecule. If the water molecule is eliminated there, this means that carbocation will be formed as a major product. So in the second step, there will be formation of carbocation. How it will happen? Formation of carbocation. See, this is we have got as a major product, and if it happens, see this. Here only I will let you know with a different color pen. If this bond is shifted here, this carbon will be having positive charge. If it is having the positive charge, in this oxygen will have the negative. Positive negative cancel out, and this water H2O will be eliminated there, and there will be the formation of protonated. There will be the formation of a carbocation. I'll show you here. See, in the second step, the protonated alcohol Okay, the protonated alcohol will leads to the formation of a water molecule. This is normally the slow step, and it is a already know about it, that the slow step is a redetermining step. In that case, there will be the formation of carbocation. Here, this is from the carbocation. And at last, third step is the removal of a proton to give alkene. If the proton is eliminated, then alkene will be formed as a major product. See, now this one will be the third step. If this bond is shifted there, see, H proton is removed, so negative charge, negative positive cancel out. In that case, H plus, in that case, alkene is formed as a major product. So with the three steps, where the first step is the formation of protonated alcohol, second step is the formation of carbocation, and the third step is the removal of a proton to give alkene as a major product. So I have already explained you about the dehydration of alcohol and its mechanism. I hope you have understood. If you have any query, do write in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.